This is Tevin, and I'm unboxing my Green Lantern and my Superman Artfx Kotobukiya figures. And here we go. First up is Green Lantern. Hal Jordan. This is pretty cool. Whoa. The box is nice. I'm gonna keep the box. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the box. I'm gonna keep it up here. Probably up here. Yeah. Take off this. Dang it. Oh, okay, of course. Let's go. How much tape? Yeah. Here we go. I already opened the Green Lantern today. I probably unboxed it, but I kept I'll probably put some shots together and figure it out. But yeah, here's the Green Lantern, Hal Jordan. So cool. Hal Jordan. Can he move? No. I want to thing, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I like his colors, man. This is so beautifully sculpted. That's Hal Jordan. He just gets out a plaque. Whoa! Is it? Oh, okay. Cool. You can have him Alright, he has some metal things at the bottom. This comes with the Justice League pack. Okay, I see that. Nice. Whoa! Okay. Is it sticking on there? Okay. Not bad. Alright, that's not bad. Pretty cool. Now let's look for the Man of Steel. Well, Superman, aka Kal-El, aka Last Son of Krypton, aka he has like a million names. But I think his box is cool. He really stood out to me. I was like, whoa. So, got him. Shit, yeah. Bam! I'm just doing one for that one. They all come like that. Whoa. His one is cool though. I don't know. Something about this one. Pretty neat. Bam, look at that. Oh yeah. Love, can I move the head? No, I don't want. Okay, don't touch it. Nope, don't touch it. The cape is pretty cool. Let's see, look at him close up. His face, it's like, it's pretty like anime. I should make an anime of this. This suit is cool. I like the New 52 Superman costume. Never a fan of the. It's a lot cooler, more sleeker. Shit, okay, I'm using this one in Injustice game. This costume. By the way, okay. He also comes with the many thing. Text message. Okay. And yeah, pretty much. My stand 2. Nice. They go together. I don't know why they put these out together. That was weird. Maybe they should have put out. Whoa. Yeah, they should have put out Batman and Superman. And like Green Lantern and Flash. And then like Aquaman and Cyborg. Aquaman and Wonder Woman. I don't know why that worked, but comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know if you guys got these statues or not. Or what other statues you guys have. Alright. See ya.